Our cold neighboring planet, Mars, exhibits in some aspects some similar characteristics when compared to planet Earth. It is the fourth in line from the Sun. In today's video, we'll learn to calculate how many Earth days make up a year on Mars, or in other words, a Martian year. A year is basically the time it takes a planet to revolve once around the Sun, and this period actually varies from planet to planet. It takes approximately 365 and quarter days for planet Earth to revolve around the Sun, which we call a solar year. We usually round the days in a calendar year to 365 days, and in order to make up for the missing partial day, we add 1 day to our calendar year, approximately every 4 years. This is what we call a leap year, and it's made up of 366 days. So we say a year on planet Earth equals 365 days. Since a day on different planets is made up of different number of hours, it will be fitting to reference a day instead as a specific planet's day, as in using terms like an Earth day, a Martian day, a Mercury day, etc. And this must be so as to prevent confusion. In the case of Mars, approximately 670 Martian days or 670 days on Mars constitutes a year on Mars or a Martian year. But how do we obtain its equivalent Earth days? Let's get into this. Another word for a day on Mars or a Martian day is Sol, S-O-L. It is important to note that a Martian day is slightly longer than that of Earth, partly due to the fact that Mars lies further from the Sun than Earth. For the record, a Martian day equals 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 22 seconds, as opposed to 24 hours in the case of planet Earth. The best way I prefer using to calculate the number of Earth days found in a Martian year is the method outlined below. First, we'll convert a Martian day to seconds. A Martian day is made up of 24 hours, 37 minutes, and 22 seconds. We convert 24 hours to seconds by multiplying 24 by 3,600 seconds. Or we can say we multiply 24 by 60 and by 60. The first 60 times 24 converts 24 hours into minutes, and then the next 60 or the second 60 times the answer in minutes gives us 24 hours in seconds, and that is 86,400 seconds. To convert 37 minutes to seconds, we multiply 37 by 60, and we obtain 2,220 seconds. We add these answers, that is 2,220 seconds and 86,400 seconds. We add that to the 22 seconds in a Martian day. The answer we obtain now is 88,642 seconds. What this means is that 1 Sol equals 88,642 seconds, or 1 Martian day equals that value. Now, in order to obtain the number of seconds found in a Martian year, we'll multiply the number of seconds in a Martian day or in a Sol by the number of Martian days that are found in a Martian year. Since there are 88,642 seconds in a Martian day and there are 670 Sols in a Martian year, we'll multiply those two values. The answer we are going to obtain is 595,390,140 seconds in a Martian year. In order to obtain the number of hours in a Martian year, we divide the number of seconds in the Martian year by 3,600 seconds. Or we can say that we divide the number of seconds in a Martian year by 60 times 60. When we divide the number of seconds in a Martian year by 60 alone, the answer we obtain will be in minutes. When we divide it by another 60, the answer we obtain will be in hours. After doing this, the answer we are going to obtain for the number of hours in a Martian year is 16,497.26111 hours. Let's put this in context. If 24 hours equals 1 Earth day, how many Earth days is going to be equal to 16,497.26111 hours? We just divide 16,496.26111 hours by 24 hours, and the answer we obtain will be in Earth days. The answer for that is 687.3858796 Earth days. What this means is that 687 days approximately on Earth equals a year on Mars. This is really interesting. We can also convert this number of days into months. How do we do that? We just divide 687 by 30. So when we do that division, we are going to divide 687.3858796 by 30 days, and that's going to give us 22.9 months, almost 23 months. What this also means is that almost 23 months on Earth equals a year on Mars. This is so wonderful. How just a year on one planet equals almost 2 years on another planet. It takes almost 2 Earth years, as we've seen so far, for planet Mars to reach a year. This is so beautiful. But this is what we'll be doing for today. So that is all for today. And if you like what you just watched, kindly consider subscribing to receive notifications from me when I upload new content. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.